The Canon Lide scanner error code, the 1st of September 2017, typically indicates a communication issue between the scanner and computer. This error can be caused by various factors, including driver problems, scanner settings anomalies, or operating system compatibility issues. To resolve the error, several solutions can be attempted. Updating or reinstalling the scanner driver is a potential fix. This involves visiting the Canon website to download the latest driver for the specific scanner model, installing the updated driver, and then restarting the computer to see if the issue is resolved. Additionally, inspecting the scanner settings is crucial, ensuring that the settings are correctly configured and that the scanner is selected as the default scanning device in the computer settings can help. It is also essential to check the operating system compatibility with the Canon Lide scanner and its drivers, particularly with newer operating systems, which may require driver updates for proper functionality. By attempting these solutions, the Canon Lide scanner error code, the 1st of September 2017, can potentially be fixed.